In this video, I'll be showing you how to use AI to create videos for promoting your affiliate link if you are doing Amazon FBA or you are doing other affiliate marketing so that you can make more money like myself. So what you need to do, you'll be using an AI and the AI is completely free. So I'll be showing you a video now that you will see that the AI have generated for me. So once you watch this video, then I will show you how to create these kind of videos yourself and promote them on Instagram, TikTok and Pinterest. I believe you are interested in this kind of video. This is George Digitals. Welcome to the channel. If you have not subscribed, I will urge you to subscribe and stay tuned as we go into this video.
Yo, gamers! Gotta spill the real tea about this beast I've been rocking, the HP newest 15.6 HD laptop. This bad boy's got a powerful Intel quad-core processor and a whopping 16GB RAM for like ultra-smooth gaming sessions. Plus, dual 128GB storage options mean zero lag downloading the latest games. It's like game on anywhere with its crazy long battery life. And peeps, it's all wrapped in this sick scarlet red. Seriously, if you want to level up, you gotta check this out. Experience the same beast mode I did, grab yours and let's dominate the game world together.
So the first thing you need to do is to head over to Creatify.ai. So once you head over to Creatify.ai, this is the platform you're seeing on your screen. You click on sign in. So once you click on sign in, you'll be using your Google account, or you can sign in using your email account. So me, I'll be using my Google account. I'll click on this sign in. So once I click on that, I'll select my account. I'll click on continue. And once I'm signed in with my Gmail account, I will have to pick the role that best describes me. So I'm a content creator, I'm a marketer, I'm a business owner, and then I'll go to the next step. Then I'm creating it for I'm creating it for e-commerce. If you're creating for any kind of fashion brand or anything, you just pick and click on next. Then after that, you'd select the size of your company. So I'm just a one-person company. Then what kind of video do you want to create? Is it for YouTube? Is it for social media? Just that. So the goal here, before I continue and finish this step, the goal here is for us to be able to promote our content on various social media platforms. Now I'll be showing you how to do that on TikTok. I'll be showing you how to do that on Pinterest. So you don't need any website for this. What you just need to do is you just need to be an affiliate for a product, like let's say Amazon FBA. Once you are an affiliate for Amazon, you can promote, or you are an affiliate for AliExpress, or you're an affiliate for any domain sharing platform like myself. So what you need to do is just for you to get the link. So what I will do, I will be showing you how to do that. So let's continue, then I'll show you how to insert the link and everything you need to do. So how do you hear about them? If you hear about them like yourself, you're hearing about them from YouTube, so you can just click on YouTube. If you're hearing about them from TikTok, anywhere you hear about them, so you just click on submit. Now once you click on submit, the next thing you need to do is to create a project by clicking on create now. So once you click on create now, let me just use a sample for you so that you get it. Just head over to Amazon. Once you head over to Amazon, let's just say this, are you getting your affiliate link? I just want you to get your affiliate link because this is just a sample. So let's say you are an affiliate for Amazon. You just go to your Amazon link. Now let's say I want to sell a computer, like this one here. I'm saying HP newest 15.5, this one. I'll click on it, and once I click on it, you know your affiliate link will be here on Amazon, right? There's a place where you see your affiliate link. You can copy your affiliate link, or just copy Control A, Control C, copy the link at the search bar here at the top left corner, then head over to this website and Control V, place the link. Now there is something I want to show you from this. If you look at this product you're seeing on Amazon site, this product, let's scroll into the product. Let's close this. So once you scroll down, look at this, you see different pictures of this product, right? Product image, then also the product description. So the reason why I'm saying this is that you need a website where you have assets. So you head over back to this AI tool and put the link, but you can manually upload your pictures. But what I would want you to do, just copy the URL from Amazon or from any of these, let's say you are doing AliExpress, just copy your link and place it there and click on analyze URL. So once you click on analyze URL, it will take a little time. It will see, look at, just take a look why I love this website. So it is going to do everything for you. So you can even put your logo if you want, but I'm not putting that. Then this is the product description, like you see on Amazon's site. It will take everything into cognizance. This is the image it picks. There are other images. So if you notice, there are 10 images it has selected. Then you click on next. So once you click on next, now we want to create a video for TikTok. We want to create a video for Instagram. We want to create a video for most social media. So if you notice, if you are creating a YouTube short, for instance, the YouTube short videos you'll be creating will be 9:16 as the aspect ratio. So you can also play with the length. Let's say you want it to be 15 seconds long, or you want it to be 30 seconds long or 60 seconds long. Please play with all these. Let's just say I want it to be 60, that is 1 minute, which is for YouTube short. Then you can also put your audience you are targeting. So since you are targeting, you're selling a laptop, so your best audience will be people within the age, or people that love games, or people depending on the kind of laptop you're selling. So you can say game lovers or gamers or anything that best describe your. Then you leave the languages, but you can change. Let's say you are also watching me from Arab, or you're watching me from Spain or from any country. You can select your language here and just use that, or Russian or Romania or anyone, but I will be sticking around with English. Now you click on next. So once you click on next, you give it a little time, like let's just say 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, now the next thing it will tell you to do is to pick a script. You need to pick a script. Now if you are writing for Gen Z, you see, yo gamers, you see, Gen Z. So depending on your audience, right? So if you want it to be motivational, you can go with motivational or Gen Z, or you want it to be don't worry, then you can also see generate more scripts. Now this is the script it will be using to create for you the video. So you don't need to go and stress yourself thinking about how to write the script. So there are lots and lots of scripts. If you look at this, there's a music starter, there is discovery, problem, solution. So depending on the one you want, if you want for Gen Z, you can just click on Gen Z. So let's go with the Gen Z. So I'll be using Gen Z script and click on select, then I'll click on next. So once you do that, it will be generating the AI video and avatar. So I'll explain a little things here, and this is where I want you to pay attention. Please, I want you to pay attention to this. Just pay attention to this. This is the most important part of the video, and I don't want you to miss this area. Please pay attention. Okay, it has generated. There are different styles. Now I want to explain these styles for you. Now if you look at this is what full screen. If once you click on this, it will give you full screen. Let's play it and let's see. Just look at what will happen when I play it.
Yo, gamers, gotta spill the real tea about this beast.
Now this is for this. Then the next one is full screen. Now the full screen will show an avatar. If I click on play,
gamers, gotta spill the real tea about.
You see, then quick transition. So depending on
gamers.
Now I will not advise you to use I will not advise you to use the one that has the full avatar, like this one you're seeing now. If you click on play, you see it will
gamers,
show.
Gotta spill the real tea about this.
It's like this guy is talking about the video and the picture of the video is showing, right? So what I will advise you to go with is to go with this one that only have the product and then a voiceover. So depending on what you want to do. Now I will advise you also to go with this avatar bubble, where you see the avatar. You can change the bubble and change the way you want the position and everything to be. Then you can go to, I don't know, depending on what you want. So my best option for you to pick is one, the product. Then the second one, you go with overcard or you go with avatar bubble. There are different styles you can use, right? Now once you're done, Please, I want you to take note of something before I even go to the render. Click on this. Now, if you notice a bit,
Yo, game beast I've been rocking.
The mouth is not moving together with in synchrony with the words. So you don't need to be afraid. Once you finish rendering, the mouth and everything will sync together. So, but what I would advise you, just go with the one that will not show anything, just only your product, and you click on render. Now, once you click on render, you need 5 credits to do the rendering. Now, if you upgrade, they will remove the watermark because it comes with watermark. So you can just remove the watermark, then just click on render with watermark, since we are not paying any money for this. So it's rendering, it has finished rendering the video. Just click on this so that it will open. So once it opens,
gamers gotta spill the real tea about this.
This is the video, right? For 32 seconds. This is the video. So once you have the video, you can just click here to download it with the watermark. You see there's a little watermark on the video. Now, once you download it, what you need to do is what I want to show you that will generate you this money. Now, what you need to do is to go over to your Pinterest account. Once you go over to Pinterest, I believe you already have a Pinterest account as an affiliate, but if you don't have a Pinterest account, I'll have a tutorial where you will see how to create a Pinterest account. You can watch it there above. Now, once you come over to your Pinterest account, what you need to do, that video you download, this video you download, so the video is downloading, this is it. So you go back to Pinterest and click here to choose the file, or you can just drag it from this place, from this your download recent, just drop it here. Now, once you drop it here, so this is how it is. You can edit the cover for this video. Once, then you give it a title. Now, what I would advise you to do is go back to the Amazon website. Now, once you go back to the Amazon website, I want you to grab some keyword here, like the HP. Now, I want you to stop here. You don't need to get or copy everything. So you just come here, drop the title. Now, if you notice the title is too long, you can just remove some words so that the title will be a bit short. Now, once you've done that, you need to give it a description. Now, what you would need to do is to come here to this product description. You can just copy a little from here down to a point like this. Just Ctrl C, then go over to this and paste it here. Now, you don't need to paste everything. You can summarize. Just summarize it using ChatGPT. Now, this is where I want you to also pay attention. You need to put a link here, and the link you need to put here will be a link that is going to your Amazon affiliate link, will be placed here. So what you need to do, if you are an affiliate for Amazon, or you are an affiliate for AliExpress, or you are an affiliate for any product, you just copy your affiliate link. You get your link from the top of your Amazon search bar, you click on it, you copy the link. Once you copy the link, you paste the link here. So this is my Amazon FBA link. I place it there. Then I'll come here and choose for tag. I can just tag helps. So I'll put laptop. I will search for HP. I'm not seeing HP here. I can search for other things like computer, depending on your that. And once you're done, you click on publish. Now, this is for Pinterest. Also, you need to do that for your TikTok and for your Instagram. Now, let me show you what you need to do for TikTok. Once your TikTok is open, it's just almost similar to that of Pinterest. So you just come here to this place you see upload. Click on upload. So once you click on upload, now you click on select file. So we just downloaded the file, right? Remember? So output, that's the name of the file. You click on this. Now the file will be processed here. Now this is where you also put your description, and also you put your link from your description. So you just copy, paste the description. So this is the link I copied. Then I can also scroll down and also write other things and put my hashtag and everything. Then after that, you can also check for plagiarism if you want, or copyright. Sorry, that's what I mean. Now after that, you just click on post. Now once you click on post, the video goes live, and anybody that sees this video will see the link, and once the person click on the link, it will be taking them to Amazon, and once they make a purchase, you get your money. So this is how I generate money, and I believe this will go a long way to help you. If you have any question below about this AI, feel free to ask me, and also don't forget to like, share this video with your friends or other affiliate marketers you know that need this video, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.